Hello guys and welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use switch case in C and C++. So first thing is syntax. To start with, we need to type in switch and then we need to give it an expression, and then between two curly brackets we need to type in case and then give it a constant. So this value, it will check that expression equals to this value or not, and then it will do the thing if so, and it will break. So this will start from here and break over here. So this is second case, it will do the same thing, and third case. And notice how I wrote four cases together. So if it satisfies any of this case, it will do the same thing, and then you have to type in break. Okay, don't type in break between the thing. For multiple cases to do the same thing as that. And the default, so the default is, or if the expression doesn't match any of those cases, then it will run default and it will execute this case. To get started with, you need to type in switch, then brackets, and then your expression. I have a setup over here that asks you for number and it will scan the number. So here my variable name is expr, so I'm typing that in expr, and then brackets, curly brackets, and then case. So this is for first case, and I'm just gonna type in 1, and this is the constant, and you just need to give a colon over there. Yeah, and then type in code. So I will type in printf, and that will print okay, it's 1, and I just need to give a semicolon. Then I have to type in break and then to the second case. So I'm leaving a line over there and typing second case, or let me just do it and say yeah. And you just don't need to type in 2 over here. You can type in like any number you want, but that should be equal. Okay, let's say it's 52. Yeah, then I have to print in okay, and 52. Yeah, that goes over there, and then again a break. And now I will show you how to use multiple cases together. So you just need to type in case once more, and the value, like I give it 23, and then colon, then don't type in break or any code, just type in another case you want. This will be like executed when this case is there, or this case means if the number is 23 or let's say 26, it will execute, do the same thing. So for that I'm gonna type in printf, and okay, it's 23 or 26. So this will be executed, and then you have to type in break once you are done typing your code. Then you have to give it a default. If you don't give a default, this thing will not be executed. Nothing will be executed if any of the case doesn't satisfy. So let's try it without the default. It's giving me error cause I just messed up over here. I just need to put in a colon, not semicolon, and then enter a number, Wait, I just misspelled the number. Okay, never mind. So if I enter 7, it will be like nothing, cause there is nothing written if the number is 7. And but if you give it a default, no constant in front of default, and you can just have to type in. You can type in invalid over there, and you just don't have to type in break. If you typed in, no worries, it will still work the same, but you can't and leave it like that. So enter number, and if I enter 4 which is not mentioned, it will say invalid cause I have not mentioned. Okay, and if I run it again, oh where it gone? Yeah, if I enter 1, it will say okay, it's 1. And if I enter 52, it will say okay, it's 52. And if I enter 23, which are double cases like or like thing, so it will say okay, it's 23 or 26. He doesn't know it. And again, if I say it's 26, it will say it's 23 or 26 cause it don't know what is going on. So this is useful for vowels or capital letter, small letters, and many things out there. So you can try this, and I will paste the code in description. So thank you guys for watching my video.